This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Terese DeLuca. Lovely, contemporary, 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo located in downtown Naples. Enjoy this open floor plan in the sophisticated community of Bayfront. Amenities include secure buildings and garages, 2 pools, 2 jacuzzis, 2 tennis courts, 2 pickleball courts, fitness room and gas barbecue grills. This mixed-use community hosts 6 restaurants, shops and a marina. Walk to 10 City, 5th Avenue and the beach. Enjoy living where the action is. For more information, review the details below.